Welcome to Shrinarayan Vidyalaya Kanhan online class. Chapter Computer Concepts. Chapter 5 Keyboard. Look here, students. This is a keyboard. Here you are observing some alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on keyboard. These keys show alphabets from A to Z in the jumbled order, like this: QWERTY, POIUY, ASDFGH, LKJH, like this. Can you tell me, students, what is the use of keyboard? Of course, keyboard is used for typing words and sentences. These are number keys. There are two sets of number keys on a keyboard. These keys show numbers from 0 to 9. We use these keys to type numbers, and along with this keyboard, enter button is there. Don't forget about this. Then these are some special keys. This is space bar and this is enter key. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. We use this space bar key to give space between two words. And this is enter key. Enter key helps us to move the cursor to the next line. Now students, you have to color the alphabet keys that are a part of your full name on the keyboard. So you have to color here only alphabet keys. This is a delete key. This key works like an eraser. We use it to remove a letter or number to our right. Then this is arrow key. Look here, arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys: up, down, left, right. It is used to move the cursor in the different directions. This is caps lock, and we use caps lock key to write capital letters. Let's start chapter 6, Introduction to MS Paint. Students, please answer one question. Do you love to draw and paint? Look at this picture. We can easily draw it on a paper. This is step 2, step 3 and step 4. Students, observe this picture very carefully. How to start MS Paint? First of all, you have to follow some steps to start Paint. Click on Start button, then select All Programs, then Accessories, and then click on Paint option. Look here, this is Paint button. This one is a ribbon. This is ribbon. This is drawing area. This is color palette. You can select desirable color from this color palette. This one is a Start button. Click on Start button. Then you will see here All Programs. Then next step is Accessories. Here, and in Accessories you have to select Paint option. In this way you can easily start your Paint software. Let's see some tools which are used for drawing. This is pencil tool. This is line, eraser, rectangle, oval, fill with color, and you can observing example here. With the use of this icon you can draw a freehand drawing using pencil. And this is line tool. By using line tool you can make straight and slanting lines using this line tool. This is eraser. If you want to erase something you can easily erase it with the help of eraser tool. Then this is rectangle. You can make any rectangular shapes or squares by using this tool. Then oval, you can make oval like this by using oval tool. And this is fill with color. You can color your picture using fill with color tool. You can use any color from the color palette given on the ribbon. Observe this. This is rectangle tool. This is oval tool. This is line tool. In this way also you can fill color into it by using color tool, fill with color tool. If you want to erase, you can erase it like this by using eraser tool. By using pencil tool you can make paintings like this. So students, if you have a computer in your home you can do it at your home. This is step 3. 4. See the difference in each step. Each step is very progressive. So you can make any desirable thing by using paint